Hey everyone, welcome back to CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn about media queries in CSS. Well, if I just showing you this note over here. So alright, imagine your CSS styles are like choosing clothes. You wear different clothes depending on the weather, right? So for that, on a hot day, you wear shorts and t-shirts. On a cold day, you wear jackets and gloves. Now, media queries in CSS work the same way. They change styles based on screen size. Example, big screen versus small screen. On a big screen computer, the website has a blue background. On a small in a phone, the website has a pink background. So let's recreate this example. So for that, we will go for our Visual Studio Code. Into the Visual Studio Code, we're going to write the HTML structure, and then after come over into the body section. Into the body section, we can simply give a header. So for that, I'm going to give a h1. And into the h1 tag, I'm going to add resize the screen to see the magic. Alright, I'm going to write it. And now if I just open the live server, as you can see now it looks like this. So I'm going to put it into the left side, right side, and then I'm going to add some CSS. For that, I'm going to go for style.css file. And then here I'm going to add the body. So for that, I'm going to add with the body, giving the curly brackets. Into the curly brackets, I'm going to give the background color. And the background color should be light blue. And then I'm going to save it. And now you can see the changes. And then I'm going to give a text align. And the text align should be into the center. Going to save it. And then I'm going to give the font size. So for the font size, I'm going to give it as 24 pixel. Then I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to give a padding. So for give the padding at 50 pixel. Going to save it. And then and now the main thing where we need to use the media query. So in here, we just need to give it as a media. And after giving the media, we can simply add the max and width. So max width should be 600 pixel. And now we're going to change the color. So for that, we're going to give body. And into the body, it will change the background color to pink. And that's it. Now we can save it. And now as we can see that in our right side, we added this. So if I just little bit resize it just for making it little bit bigger. If we maximize our screen size, as we can see, it looks like bluish. When I make it a little bit shorter or the size something like this, then you can see it looks like pink. So that is a media query. When you changes the size, it changes their background. And as here is a example that on a hot day you wear shorts and t-shirts. On a cold day you wear jacket and gloves. So that's a different in media queries. In media queries, CSS work in the same way. They change styles based on the screen size. So media queries change styles based on the screen size. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.